All right, that was my 50 ounces of cream of chicken in my crock pot. I'm next gonna bring 2.5 pounds of cut chicken and put that right in our cream of chicken. Now I'm gonna bring in my frozen vegetables medley. You can use canned or fresh, but I prefer frozen. And we're gonna add 2 12-ounce bags of our medley right into our crock pot with our chicken and our cream of chicken. Now I'm gonna keep the seasoning super simple. I have my Kinder's The Blend, which is salt, pepper, and garlic, all my favorites in one. And we're gonna season this heavily because this is a big crock pot. This is 8 quarts, and we wanna make sure that everything gets nice and seasoned and tastes amazing. Now I'm not gonna add any liquid to this because those frozen veggies will create some good liquid, and also the crock pot creates a lot of moisture. So I think that should be plenty, right babe?
Yeah, I think so. It looks good.
Now I'm gonna bring in my large spoon, and it's time to give everything a mix. We want to combine our chicken, our cream of chicken, our mixed veggies, and our seasoning very well so that everything gets all those delicious flavors on them. This is such an easy and delicious crock pot dinner that I love to make on the weekdays. You can start it in the morning and it'll be ready for dinner time, or you can start at midday and put it on high and it'll be ready just in time for dinner. My guests love this one. It's super easy and it feeds a crowd. You can half this recipe if you have a smaller family, but this is also really delicious as leftovers, so you might as well make the whole serving. Okay, how do you think that looks?
It looks well combined. I'm excited.
All right, now we're gonna make sure to flatten this out because we have something delicious going on top. Now remember, it might seem a little dry right now because that cream of chicken is so thick, but lots of moisture is gonna be created as this cooks. Perfect. All right, our final ingredient are our buttermilk Pillsbury Grands. We're gonna go ahead and open this baby up. I love the Pillsbury Grands, but you can use whatever ones you like. Woo! And we're gonna use this whole entire pack, which is 8 biscuits. Get that out. And we're gonna place these right on top of our mixture, just like so. And by the time that these are fully cooked, our chicken will be cooked. Everything will be nice and seasoned. And this is gonna be delicious. All right, it seems like 8 is the perfect amount for my crock pot. So we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on now. And we're gonna pop this on high. I cannot wait. All right, you guys, it's been 4 hours on high. Now, just as a reminder, you can cook this for 8 hours on low, but let's go ahead and check these out. Oh my, and you can tell when this is ready, when those biscuits are golden brown, just like so. And we already know that chicken's fully cooked. It smells so good. Our crock pot chicken pot pie. Oh yeah, look at that. That is gonna be delicious. So good. We have our chicken, our veggies, our cream of chicken, our biscuit. What else do we add in there? That's it, right?
Yeah, just frozen bit. Yeah, that's it. Frozen
All right,
veggies.
let's first check our biscuit, which is fully cooked. Look at that golden brown deliciousness. And then that chicken is like already like falling apart. Let's give this a try. Wow, that is so good. Perfectly seasoned, tasty. My favorite part is definitely the biscuit.